Good morning, students. World Map Part 1. World Map in your course is very important. It consists of 10 marks. So you have to practice very well so that you can gain 10 out of 10. Continents and ocean. You should know about the continents and oceans. So these are the different continents. We have 7 continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia and Australia and Antarctica. That's the bottom. Then we have 5 main oceans, starting from Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and on the southern side there is the Southern Ocean. So you should know about the oceans also and continent. Now this type of map you will get in the exam or for the practice you have to do, because this map you will not get in market. This map is known as river map of world, because you can see here the number of black color lines. These black color lines are rivers showing. Okay, these are the different rivers of the world. So you have to practice your map work in this. It is given at the back of your book. Just check it. Now latitude. There are the important lines you can see here. These are the latitudes. The first one is equator, 0 degree. Then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle is the last line. It's not shown here, but it's the last line near the Antarctica. So these are the 5 main latitudes. Now water bodies. I had painted the colors here. So these are the portion which I am going to show, and you have to mark in the same way. You have to shade those areas when you show the water body in your map. This is Gulf of Mexico. This is a blue color, Gulf of Mexico. Now this orange color is Caribbean Sea. This green color, that is a blue color, showing Mediterranean Sea. This bottom one just near to Mediterranean Sea, this portion is Black Sea. This one is North Sea. This is Caspian Sea. This portion is South China Sea. This portion is Gulf of Carpentria, north of Australia, it is given. And last, this is Hudson Bay in North America. So these are the main water bodies which you have to practice. And the last one is Persian Gulf. It is here in this. Mountains and plateaus. Now how you will mark? Just see the brown color lines which I had marked here. In the same way, whenever mountains or plateaus has been asked, just draw the line for mountains and plateau and then show what it is. Like here, first one is Rockies Mountain, second is Andes Mountain, third is Appalachian Mountain, fourth is Atlas Mountain, next is Alps Mountain, Drakensberg Mountain, Himalayas Mountain. So in this way you will mark all the mountains and plateaus. Now the next topic is rivers. You have to mark rivers. This is the world map. These are the different black color lines you can see here. These black color lines are given. These black color lines are actual the rivers, and few I had overlined with a blue color and purple color. These are you have to practice, and I just put the arrow towards the river. You also practice and put arrows towards the river so that it will indicate the correct river. I'll start from the west side. This is first river, Colorado River. This one opposite to is Mississippi River. Mississippi River. Next, the third river marking Amazon. Amazon River. Next, come to here, Europe. The first here I mark Volga River. This small one is Rhine River. This one here is Ob River. Now this small is Tigris River. Tigris River. This one is Ganga River. Ganga River. Ganga River. This one is Indus River. This is Wango River. This is Irrawaddy River. Now come to Africa. This one is Nile River. The bottom one is Orange River. This is Zaire River. This is Niger River. So these are total 15 rivers which you have to mark, you have to practice. Clear? And just write down straight, no zigzag way. Clear?